the PCM back from my tuner. We got the engine back in. Y'all seen the video with the truck running. It's got a lot of power, pulls really hard, way more power, really fun. The only problem is I'm not pulling enough vacuum, and I literally have to play with my throttle body adjustment just to get it to idle. Cam's just way too damn big. So the only way I'm gonna try to combat that is I'm gonna get a vacuum pump, and I'm gonna tee it into my brake booster vacuum line there, and hopefully, and it should actually, it should idle about 900 RPM. I was literally getting like 5 inches of vacuum at, what was it, like, I think 700 RPM, 5 inches of vacuum. It's supposed to be at least 16. So I got a vacuum pump coming in, gonna install that. Pretty much just gonna wire it straight to the battery until I can get something to like a relay for it. Gonna put a fuse in it, and that's about it. Actually probably just gonna wire it to the ignition. I need to wire some way to get it to come on with the ignition so it's not constantly running. That's the battery. But anyway, we're definitely gonna try that out. But that should fix it. I mean, it should idle at 900. Everything should be hunky fucking dory. But it's not too bad. When I get that, I'll make another video of it running, doing some burnouts, doing some pulls. Man, it is fun, I'm telling you. This thing is fucking fun. Alright, well, later until then.